A while ago, I was doing off-road in the Florida Everglades, and I broke the real mudguard of the bike. And one of the three screws that holds it in place broke flush. So today I'm gonna try to fix it using a screw extractor and install the new mudguard with new hardware on it. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. I have already drilled a very thin hole, as much in the center of the screw as I could, just to serve as a guide for a bigger drill bit, so I can then fit the extractor. There it goes now with the bigger drill bit. I'm giving a little push with the hammer to make sure it won't slip, when I start turning it. Yeah, I don't have the driver for the extractor, so this adjustable wrench will do the job. Also, this screw extractor here, you can get at any auto parts shop for under $3, so it's really inexpensive. And here it is, the little piece of screw is out. And a little piece of the old part out. Here I have all the new original hardware. And this part here is the one that broke together with the bolt that I just removed. These here are moving now are two of the old screws of the three that hold the mudguard that didn't break and stay in the bike. A little lubrication and clean up of the area so we can install the new screws here. And here we go with a new mudguard, and let's see how it goes. And the perfect fit, nice. Well, this is the end of the installation. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching.